Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my pro review on this one called WP Host, the Host Unlimited WordPress website on most reliable Ultraport servers for life. This is a new launch. It has already 1,000 plus sales, and let's take a look at the JB page to see what they offering and check out the actual OTOs and stuff. So if you decide to promote this later on, you can do it. You can see those details on Monchai and on the same WordPress page. And let's see, by hosting limited WordPress website on Ultraport servers for life for a low one-time price. Host and market limited WordPress sites. Okay. Complete website protection with free end-to-end SL description. Okay, 100% review friendly. Let me see the funnel. The front end is $19. OTO 147, OTO 2 max 47, OTO 3 37, and it has more like agency for 67, WordPress booster for 37, and reseller 67. If I were you, I will get this one. Reseller, it always delivers. Let's say you start promoting this product, instead of getting 50% commissions, you will get entire 100% on the whole funnel. And let me see some prices if you decide to promote it in the period of the time of the launch. And you just go here, and then it's gonna drive you to the affiliate link where I was before. And pretty much it has 19 products with downsells and upsells. So you decide to purchase through my link, I will provide to you some amazing bonuses, and they right here. They're gonna be like this, and you can get 35 products to promote or to watch or to enjoy or to learn from the Lead Academy Animal Kingdom. Also, I'm gonna have for you this training from Mosh on my website albertosantos.pro. It's a training to use Reels and TikToks and drive that traffic to a certain opt-in page. Also, you can have buyers list training, so YouTube training, and if you want to know how you can work with my own internet marketing coach to go your learn to 10K per month, the 100K Alliance will show you that. All right, see you later. Thank you.